This morning, Zara is going to tell you the story of Spot Goes to the Shop. Can she do that for you? Yeah. Are you going to listen to her? Yeah. Today's lesson was a listening activity. The objective of the lesson today was to reinforce the language and vocabulary of the stories. Secondly, it is to build the children's critical thinking skills. Thirdly, it is to teach the children to use auditory information for a purpose.
Can you go buy bread, eggs, butter, jam and milk for me, please?
In today's lesson, we started off with a story again, where Zara told the story to the children to reinforce the language once again and the vocabulary.
And so, they came home and so Mama Tisa said, "Where is Spot?" And so they said, "We forgot Spot by the shop."
I explained to them that this is a listening activity. They need their ears to listen and they need to look at me when I'm giving the instruction. In front of me, I have a page, and on your table in front of you, you also have the same page. So now I want you to put your finger where you see the number 1. With this activity, they must look on their page. There's a number 1 in the first block. So then everybody need to put their finger on number 1. And once everybody has it, I will ask, is everybody there? Very carefully you must listen to me. I want you to pick up your yellow crayon. And once I see that everybody's on the same place where I am, I will give the next instruction. In the first block where you put your finger, where number 1 is, I am thinking of something that is yellow that I put on my bread first. Butter, yes. Now can you draw me butter in there, please, in the first block? Can you draw a brick of butter, please? Butter. Now, I would like you to pick up your brown crayon. Your brown crayon. And in block number 2, I am thinking of something that you can make toast with. Yes, that's right. Now, can you draw me a loaf of bread there, or one slice of bread? You can draw there in colored. The purpose of this activity is to give the children practice to interpret what they have heard and putting it to paper. I allow the children to write the words next to the picture so that they can have a go at writing. Because they know the language and the vocabulary and they've been listening to the sounds all week. So I want them to have a go at being a writer. They are going to explain to you what they drew in each block. And you are going to see if they were listening. Okay? You're the audience, so you are going to see if they were listening. If they drew the proper thing in block 1, 2, 3, and 4. I finished the lesson by allowing a couple of children to stand in front of the class and share what they have written and drew in each block. Right. Ethan, can you start first, please? Tell them what you drew in block 1.
Butter.
And 2.
Bread and the name and the word bread.
Beautiful. And in block 3?
6 eggs.
6 eggs. And block 4?
The word jam also.
Thank you, Ethan. That's beautiful. I achieved my objectives for this lessons because the children were able to listen carefully. They were able to draw what I was telling them, to think about something that's yellow that I put on bread, and they were able to draw the butter. They were able to even try and have a go at writing the words, and each picture was in the correct block.